incredibly important. You know, we're working elsewhere in the Caribbean. We're also moving forward with terminal development in the country of Antigua. We have operations in Barbuda and elsewhere. And Aruba becomes a key linchpin for us, particularly when we think about the entire geographic reach of the Caribbean. It's very important in terms of thinking about what's happening in the shipping industry, what's happening with cruise ships, and the opportunities that provides for the economy here in Aruba in terms of developing and implementing a brand new pillar for this economy.
Is there a fixed price already that has been stipulated, a fixed price for the 1 million British thermal units that Aruba is going to purchase this gas for the next 20 years? Is this price going to be fluctuating, or how is this calculated?
Yeah, so the nature of the transaction, as well as the entire LNG industry, and part of the reason why we talk about long-term contracts is to make sure that the majority of that price has been fixed for the term of that contract. So said differently, it provides a tremendous amount of stability while not exposing to what's happening in world LNG markets or world oil markets. The other piece of that contract is also the natural gas that's purchased in the United States. That represents, you know, somewhere between 20% to 30% of the total cost of the LNG, the remainder being fixed in nature for whatever term of contract.